Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand scientific notation. So first let me explain what exactly is scientific notation. So it is a way to express very small or very large numbers and mostly used in scientific calculations where the calculations or the analysis must be very precise. Now scientific notation in this it has two parts, a number multiplied to the exponent of 10 or a power of 10. Now what happens, this a, it is actually something more than or equal to 1 and it should be less than 10. And over here this n, it can be any positive or a negative number, right? So now let us understand this with help of an example. Now over here I have a 6-digit number. Now if I want to convert this number to an exponential form, we need to move the decimal to the left until we have just one digit that is there. So right now I could assume that the decimal is at the end of number like this, right? Now I need to move this decimal so that I have to move this decimal to the right, sorry, to the left, such that the decimal is at a position where it is something more than 1, but it should be less than 10. That means I cannot place it between 4 and 5, but yes, placed between this 2.45. If I'm writing it this way, this is absolutely correct. Now if I have written it like this, if you see, I have actually moved the decimal 5 digits. So I'm going to write it as 2.45754 times 10 to the power 5. Similarly, if I'm converting a small number to the exponential notation form or the scientific notation form, simply I need to do what? So I'm going to move this decimal to the right hand side. I have to move this decimal to the right such that it comes between 7 and 8, so that it is more than 1 but less than 10. So I'm going to write it this way. And now since I have actually moved the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have moved the decimal 5 digits ahead. I'm going to write it as 10 to the power minus 5. So this is how we move the decimals and move the decimal to obtain the scientific notation form. And to summarize this, what we can say, that moving the decimal point to the left, so if I'm moving the decimal to the left, it yields a positive exponent, and if I'm moving the decimal to the right, that yields a negative exponent. So yes, that was it. Thank you.